Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making chocolate crinkle cookies. I have a medium bowl and in it is 1 cup of flour. To it I'm going to add a half a cup of cocoa powder, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll give that a mix. I have a large bowl and in it I have a stick of softened butter. And to it I'm going to add a cup of brown sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. And with my hand mixer I'm going to whip it together. And to this I'm going to add 1 egg. Now slowly I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. To our batter I'm going to add our chopped chocolate. I have our cookie dough and a bowl which I've filled with some powdered sugar. Then I have a scoop and I'm just going to scoop some of the cookie dough, roll it into a nice ball, put it into the powdered sugar, and this goes on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And these are ready to bake. I'll bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. I have some of our chocolate crinkle cookies. Let's give one a taste. So chocolatey and rich, a really nice cookie, delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate crinkle cookies. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.